Shubor naga Snem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Rotary Club Jowai haka handu tarik naitung kala Pynskhem ki Dkhot Nongkitkam nak benda ka samoy trikam Jong Snem arja arpusan kabatip kum ka 29 installation ceremony haka jingalang kabalalong ha orchid in Boki Hall Thatlaskein ya ki Dkhot Nongkitkam la Pynskhem do kongsan PDG Rotarian Manas Chaudhry haka jingan lang Rotarian Barnabas Nangba Rotarian A Andrew Shulai ka Rotarian EE Lalu Rotarian EF Gatpho Nalor Kiwei Hakajiya lang kabala penyat the Master of Ceremonies UJM Po Asngap PHF PDG Rotarian Manas Chaudhry Hakajingkran Ulakantu iki Dkhot ke Rotary Club Jowai Bandan ke Jingtri lang Badbane Phliu Jingmut Habale iki kamba bha ndam da Jingmentoy jong ka imlang salang Halor kapang jong ka Rotary of International The Magic of Rotary Ulakantu iki Dkhot ban shimkya ban le ikinu ki kam khanang baki pat ba ka shnong Jowai kinyo ban sakhi bat kan long ru ka buram ya ka Rotary baro ka wei
Literacy chair Secretary, Young and Dynamic Secretary.
Honorable President, it may why this theme, magic of Rotary. Let me just tell you, very simply put, when the anti-polio drive takes place, Rotarians put drop of polio in the mouths of the children. That is where the magic happens. When from Jankia Hills you send children who have congenital heart disease and they have no way to get operated, Rotary's Gift of Life project comes to help. And when you do that, and Jowai has done many, you have sent many from Jankia Hills. Through Shillong we have sent. And you have brought magic of Rotary. When the child gets life and there is assurance of living for a long time, healthy life, that's the magic we are talking about. So a little bit of change in the lives of common people, if you can make. You don't have to take a very big project, large project, not needed. Small act of kindness. That's the magic we are talking about. Please do that. And Jowai, your Rotary Club of Jowai must begin by loving the place called Jowai. You have to love your place. Now, what do I mean by love this place? Of course, everybody loves. If you love somebody or something, you will give special attention. You will care for the place. Now, we are not government body that we are flush with money and we can do everything that's needed for Jowai. We can't do that. But we can certainly do a few things without being too taxing on our pockets.
The question is, are we up to it? Are we ready? And like the chief guest, he was asking our new inductees, are we going to give our time like we give to our other hobbies and friends? And if yes, let us continue in this fine tradition. My vision for our club for this upcoming year is threefold. Number one is reconnecting with the community. Number two is membership. We want to increase the membership and we also want to retain our old members. We don't want members to jump in a bus and get down in the next stop. We want our members to travel together with us in the whole Rotary journey. And number three is public image. So there are many needy people throughout our community and the world where only hope will come from Rotary. Take for example, polio. Let us live here ready to make their lives better in any way that we can. As Rotarians, It will not be good enough to give only what we have left over or what we can spare, but we must truly give ourselves with new vigor in support to the ideals of Rotary. We must reconnect with our community through health and environmental projects. And to do so, we must enroll new members and retain the old ones. Remember, the strength is always in the numbers. Just imagine, there are only 23 of us now, members. Imagine if we could double this membership, and next year the installation will be grander than this, and we can achieve more. We can reach out to the people through projects, service projects. We can do a lot more better if there are a lot more members. So I urge upon each Rotarian that the next time you come to a meeting, please bring a friend.